where you had decided to give a generous help for getting the cataract operation. This is a small substation and we are going by the road and a small township is there. Now you are watching the roads here. Londaicha, though is a township, but it has got a very good railway station having all the goods facilities and express trains. Now this is a bus station. On the bus station, you are finding that the huge crowd is there and the buses are standing nearby. Now you are watching here the statue of the great Maratha, the Shivaji, emperor in Maharashtra. This is Dondaicha, and let me bring you here a small city who is remembering your help by donating to Rotary Cataract Operation at Dondaicha and Sincare. In the last, we offer our sincere thanks to you and to Root International for doing such a good project in a small place in India. Thank you. Members of Rotary Club of Dondaicha are very happy to introduce hereby a good eye surgical cataract operation project to you, sponsored by Rotary Club of Vancouver, BC of RI District 5040 in Canada. Rotary Club of Vancouver, BC of RI District 5040 assured to sponsor eye cataract project to Rotary Club of Dondaicha, that of RI District 3060, that is in the state of Maharashtra of India. Is a very small town populated about 30,000 people in district Dhule of Maharashtra, India. Dondaicha club is a very active club having 15 members. Though we have got very small membership, but we have proved very active club in RI district 3060 from the date of charter. Our club was chartered in 1979 and we have got 7 best presidents during the tenure of 15 years at our disposal. We became very glad when we came to know that Rotary Club of Vancouver, BC had declared a scheme of helping our clubs who would be arranging eye camps, especially cataract surgical camps, for the clubs who need money for doing the best world service in Rotary International. During the period of 1993-94, we arranged such 8 camps throughout the year, and we are very eager to introduce you by this video tape how we arrange our camps to just to show you and bring to your notice. During the year, we operated more than 200 such type of operations by the help of Cottage Hospital Dundaicha and Cottage Hospital Sinkeda in the rural area of state of Maharashtra, India. The distance between these two hospitals is there about 25 kilometers. And this advantage of getting the cataract operations was taken by in the radius of 40 kilometers from Dundaicha and Sinkeda townships. All these operations were operated free of cost. Every patient was supplied with food, medicines and spectacles. Every patient was asked to keep himself in the hospital for 7 days from the date of operation. We were providing them breakfast, light breakfast, that is bread and milk, because they were not in a position to take high calorie food. Secondly, the light food of lunch and dinner was also provided to them. We were also providing them twice a day a cup of tea and a cup of milk. Information of these camps was given to the public by circulating letters, by various doctors, by launching a team on this rickshaw, on loudspeaker, by inviting the sarpanch, that is the head of the very small villages, and asking them to keep the patients ready for the cataract operations if somebody requires them. The information was also given by the regional radio center Jalgaon, and the local newspapers were asked to give the advertisement of this cataract operation scam sponsored by the Rotary Club of Vancouver, BC, Canada. Now, let me introduce you that how we operated these camps. In the beginning, we invited all the patients early in the morning on the day of the camp. The ophthalmologist examined all the patients and then decided who were in the need of such operations. After selecting such patients, we asked them to keep themselves ready for such type of operations. After selecting these patients, we have treated them and we are asked to examine them by blood pressure, by diabetes, and by testing the urine, and if they have got other problems which will create any obstacle in the getting the operations done. And after all this completing such type of verifications, we selected the operations, we selected the patients for getting them operated. After completing this preliminary examination by the ophthalmic and other surgeons, we asked the patients to get themselves ready for the operations. And the operations were taken on the same day evening by the ophthalmologists and surgeons. Now, here we are watching how these patients are keeping themselves ready for the preliminary examination. The nurses and the staff are injecting them for the preliminary examination. Now, the patients are ready for other checkups, urine checkup and blood pressure. Now, the patients are getting themselves ready for eligible for getting the cataract operations. Ladies and gents were separated in separate queues and asked them to be ready for getting them operated on the same day evening. All these patients whom we are watching in this video are coming from very poor family. If our Rotary Club had not been able to sponsor and operate such cataract camps, they would have been unable to get them eyesight. They would not have undergone this surgery if Rotary Club Vancouver BC and Rotary Club of Dondaicha would have not done these operation camps. On the last day of getting themselves discharged, they were thanking Rotary Club of Dondaicha and Rotary Club of Vancouver BC for providing all this help to these people. They were thanking both the clubs for arranging this eye cataract camp, and we are very happy to note that Rotary is doing service by operating and getting such camps in district Dhule of state of Maharashtra, India. And a brother far from Dondaicha residing in Canada is helping all these brothers to live together and get the brotherhood of both the countries. The President and the members of Rotary Club of Dondaicha are thankful to Rotary Club of Vancouver BC who have decided to give a generously ₹100 per patient for getting operations and an additional help of ₹2,000 for the photographs of the patients and video shooting of the camp. We assure you that every rupee given by you is invested for the betterment of all these patients and who have proved 100% results for better sight to themselves. As per the wish of Donor Club who have planted the tree, the symbol of all our this brotherhood and help given by Rotary Club of Vancouver BC is engraved on a marble stone, and the name of the Rotary Club of Vancouver BC is named therein. The surgical staff, the doctors, nurses are standing thereby, and we are watching that the board is there. Now we are watching just nearby the staff that a tree is planted in memory of all these camps and the wish of the Donor Club in the Cottage Hospital, Dondaicha, in district Dhule of the state of Maharashtra, India. We are thankful to the members of Rotary Club of Vancouver BC for providing us such type of help, and we also expect such type of help in future if you think so and you are satisfied by the job done by we Rotarians on your behalf from the Canadian end to the end of India.
टाकून देणार आहे, आवाज करणार आहे माझ्या रेडिओ मध्ये मग रेडिओ ना चालू करू चालू करें माझ्याकडे टेप रेकॉर्ड पण आहे क्या मजा पेटी मध्ये का
सध्याला उडालेला आहे बंद झाला
म्हणजे बिना याचे कंटिन्यू चालू चालू एका व्यक्तीचे पाहिजे व्यक्तीचे मला वाईट वाटत नाही आपले पण असं अहो त्यासाठी नाही आठवणीसाठी फोटो काढायचे असतात कोणाची आठवण झाले की नाही त्याची स्टिच काढली गेली ना
एक मिनिट थांबा ए पुरा
आपला खाली पण आता या खाली या सगळे खाली या सगळे दोघे तर खाली या ना सगळे कुंडीचं थांबा शेड मधलं येणार नाही
कुंडीच्या मागे थांबा आजूबाजूला
त्या सावलीत येणार नाही म्हटलं इथे बाहेरच घ्या तुम्ही नाही घ्यायचं हो हो
मला असं म्हणायचं आता याच्यात आता आत नाही आपण करता येईल
हो
रूम्स आहेत एक 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 एक
हो करते मी. बाहेरचं
हां बाहेरचं थोडंसं तर सिंदखेडचा आपण असं काढलं का परिसराचा याच्यावर
हो
काढलाय ना हां चला तुम्ही खुर्शीदबाईंकडे 5ला नाही पण 5 म्हणजे 5 बरं आज
खुर्शीद भाईकडे फोन आहे मी आता इथून घरी जाईल कोणती पाठवायची त्याला बोलवलं कोण सांगणार आहे दादा गेले हो 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 काय पाहिजे साखर